How to change Facebook notification on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to change notification for Facebook on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application Facebook. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on notification. And from here you can easily customize the notification style for your Facebook app on your iPhone, as you can choose for the option lock screen, notification center or banner. On the banner style you can choose two options over here, or you can also directly turn on or turn off the options like sounds and badges over here. So you can manually customize all of the settings for your Facebook on your iPhone. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.